Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna be styling denims and we all have them in our wardrobe and it's a staple. I'll be styling them from Monday to Sunday and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Also, I'll be styling pieces from the Levis X Deepika Padukone collection. The pieces are so comfortable, stylish and chic and I can't wait to share all the looks with you guys. So let's get into the video.
Mondays are usually very hectic and packed with work, nothing fancy but just work and meetings. So I went for this white harmony tee to keep me in harmony with a nice work-life balance. I can hope for that. And these straight-leg light wash denims to stay comfy during this uncomfortable process. Lol. Jokes apart, this is a very casual everyday outfit for days when you don't want to dress up a lot but you still want to get some work done. Are our podcast recording days usually, and the vibe of the outfit matches the vibe of our podcast, which is super chill, relaxing and fun. A basic black tee, bootcut denims, which by the way look amazing, elongating and perfectly accentuates the curves, and accessories according to the mood. Love the overall vibe of this fit.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter.
Midway through the week, by this time I usually need a break and need to unwind with dinners with my girls, so this outfit is perfect. Monochrome / love this fitted top and bootcut denim combination. Looking like a treat while going for treats.
Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
So we're rolling on Thursday with this denim on denim look and a white crop tank top. I'm digging this look for how effortless this is yet makes a statement. Baggy never goes out of style, I feel personally. Chunky shoes to match the street fashion vibe and a pop of color. While wearing denim on denim, try and keep the color tone similar or it might look disastrous instead of effortless. But there are no rules to fashion, you do you.
Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
On Friday, I had to run some errands and shop some stuff. I'm wearing these flared leg splash denims along with a denim jacket and a white tee and white chunky sneakers. This fit is so easy breezy, perfect for when you're on the go but you don't want to miss out on your outfit.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
This monochrome look is great for days when you don't want to put a lot of thought into your outfit. Neutrals for the win, and to break the monotony, paired with a black tee.
All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
So Sunday is finally here, guys, our favorite day. I prefer to unwind, go for session, salon, coffee date, very chill and easy breezy, some alone time. So this dress is perfect for such days. Also with dresses, you don't have to care about what to pair with what. So this is an easy way out. Hope you guys enjoyed this outfit series. Let me know if you want more such videos and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.